This AI tool promises passive income streams in minutes. So I tested MiMo AI for a full week. Today, I'm breaking down MiMo AI, a tool that's blowing up for beginners wanting to make money online. I put real hours into it, generated actual content, and tracked every dollar. Stick around, because the results surprised me. But there's a catch you need to hear first. MiMo AI is a simple AI platform built for affiliate marketers and side hustlers. It generates ready-to-use marketing assets like emails, social posts, and landing pages, all optimized for conversions. No coding needed. You input a product link, and it spits out content tailored for make money online niches. Perfect for beginners who struggle with writer's block. But wait, does it actually drive sales? That's what I dug into next. Let me walk you through it like I did on day one, step by step, no skips. First, sign up on mimoai.live, takes 30 seconds, no credit card up front. Step 1, paste your affiliate link. I used one for an AI writing tool. Step 2, pick a template, email sequence, Instagram carousel, or full sales page. Step 3, hit generate. Boom, AI creates persuasive copy with hooks, bullets, and CTAs. I tested the email generator, it made a 7-day sequence promising passive income secrets. Felt natural, not robotic. Step 4, customize lightly, swap in your details. Step 5, export and post. I sent it to my list of 500 subscribers. Pattern interrupt, but here's the twist, my first campaign flopped. Why? Keep watching. It integrates with tools like Gmail or Canva for quick deployment. Total time per campaign? Under 10 minutes. Okay, real talk, I ran 3 tests over 7 days. Test 1. Built an Instagram carousel for a make money online course affiliate. Posted to my stories and feed. Got 20 clicks, 2 sales. Not bad for zero effort writing. But here's where things got interesting. I scaled it. Test 2. Generated a full landing page for MiMo's own affiliate program. Posted it free on Cared. Drove traffic via Reddit. Result? 5 sign-ups, earned $47 in commissions. Open loop, that was good, but test 3 blew it open. Or did it? Test 3, email sequence to my list. Open rate 42%, solid. But clicks? Only 8%. Why? The AA copy was good, but missed my audience's pain points. Had to tweak manually. Pattern interrupt, wait, it gets better, or worse. I tracked ROI next. Spent $20 on a small FB ad to test scalability. Generated 150 visitors, 3 conversions. Profit, $23 after fees. Honest usage, it's fast for volume, but shines when you edit 20%. After 7 days, total earnings $112 from $0 ad spend, mostly organic. Time invested, 4 hours total. Good, generated 25 pieces of content. Saved me 15 hours of writing. Bad, 30% of outputs needed heavy edits for voice. No built-in traffic tools, you handle promotion. ROI breakdown, for every hour, I made $28. Scalable if you have an audience. But there's a catch, free trial limits you to 5 generations. Paid starts at $27 per month. Pattern interrupt, surprised? The real value hit me in pros and cons. Compared to ChatGPT, MiMo's templates convert 2x better in my tests, proven by those sales. Pros, beginner-friendly templates, no AI prompt skills needed. Fast, content in seconds. Affiliate-focused, built-in link shorteners. Cheap entry, $27 per month. Cons: output sometimes generic, needs your tweaks. No traffic generation, just content. Trial too short for deep testing. Learning curve for advanced customization. Quick interrupt, which matters more for you? Let's see who it's for. Beginners crushing it. If you're new to affiliate marketing, have a small email list or social following, and hate writing, yes. It jumpstarts your funnels. Skip if you're advanced with custom AI setups or need end-to-end automation, traffic plus sales. Ideal for make money online newbies testing side hustles without big budgets. Is MiMo AI worth it? Yes, for beginners, 8/10. Real passive income potential if you promote smart. Not a set and forget scam, but a legit accelerator. Saved me time, made real money. Skip if you love writing from scratch. If this fits your hustle, grab it via the link in description. Starts cheap with a trial. But watch my full tests above first to decide smart. Your call.